Well, happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore, Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway, HomeServices, California Properties, another Monday market moment. And at the last Monday of October, it's also almost Halloween. So we're going to answer the question, where is America's most haunted house? Should be kind of fun. We'll get to that in just a moment. First, let's look at the latest stats. Right now, we have 5,014 homes for sale throughout San Diego County. That's a big decrease of 110 from last week. Did we finally see inventory cap out? Perhaps. Median list price, no change, $950,000. Average days on market, 51, 2 more days than it was a week before. Pending sales, 2303, 2 fewer than last week, with a median list price of $880,000, higher than last week. Average days on market, 32. Months of inventory actually went down to 2.87. It had been increasing until we almost got to 3. And we've come back down a little bit from that. Here's a chart showing total actives, total pendings. And you can see it had been running up and it's come down. We'll see if that trend continues, in which case maybe we have seen the peak of the market in inventory. Last week, we saw 632 homes come on the market. It's a big decrease of 113 from the week before. Median list price of $899, higher than the ones that came on the market the week prior. New pendings, 373, 30 more than last week. A little bit surprising. Usually we continue to see demand go down. It went up a little bit. Median list price of $849, lower than the week before. Average days on market, no change, 27. New pendings listed within the last week, 12. New pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 116. So we did see more homes go into escrow than the week before, but fewer homes go into escrow within a week of being on the market, and fewer homes going into escrow after being on the market for 2 weeks or less. How many homes closed escrow last week? 358, 50 more than the week before. That's encouraging to see. Median list price, $893.5, lower than the week before. Median sales price, $887.5, also lower than the week before. Average days on market, 28, big drop of 5 fewer days than the week prior. Least expensive sale was a cabin in Mount Laguna for $138,105. The most expensive sale was in Rancho Santa Fe, $17.5 million. Here's a chart showing new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. And over the last few weeks, we have seen a decrease in the number of homes coming on the market. And now that maybe other homes are going under contract, that's why inventory is coming down. And then again, pendings went up, and that could again be the reason why the total inventory is lower. And good to see the increase in the total sales, highest number of sales in a few weeks. Here is the chart showing median list price and median sales price. This report was from Stephen Thomas's Reports on Housing, the most recent one. I just wanted to quickly throw it up here to look at the county market time report. And you can see different zip codes have different market times. But if we look, for example, at Chula Vista, 2 years ago, the average market time was 19 days. It went up just a year later, last year, to 38 days. And right now, we're looking at 60 days. So homes are staying on the market longer. Look at downtown. 2 years ago, it was 28 days, 112 days a year later. And right now, we're looking at 176 days. Now, that's taking across the board all the different properties. El Cajon was 19 days, went up to 45 days, now 71 days. So homes are taking longer to sell. Encinitas wasn't as big of a difference, but we are seeing that trend, but homes are still selling. San Diego, relative to other counties in Southern California, and you can see we had 4823. We have 4823 homes on the market right now. LA has the most, of course. We come in third. But if you look at the demand, we're doing pretty good relative to others. Our market time is 80, so 69 in Orange County, so that market's a little bit hotter. But we're next. Ventura is actually next, but then us. But Ventura has a lot fewer homes for sale. And then looking at how Southern California compares to other parts of the West Coast, the Bay Area is still pretty hot. You can see market time is only 71 days relative to Southern California being 91. It's actually lower in Bay Area than it was 2 weeks ago and 4 weeks ago. So the market's getting hotter in the Bay Area, interestingly enough. Okay, I teased it in the beginning, America's Most Haunted House. We have Halloween coming up. Where is and what is America's Most Haunted House? It is that house right there. And if you live in San Diego, you might recognize that house. It is the Whaley House in San Diego County. It is considered to be the most haunted house. At least that's what they claim. Located in Old Town. And did you know that back then they had Old Town and New Town? Interesting fun fact. It was built by Thomas Whaley in 1856. At least it was started in 1856. Took a little while to build. It was also San Diego's first commercial theater. And another interesting fact, it was built with a cost of $10,000, which in today's dollars would be $371,000. Not too bad, actually, considering what homes are going for right now. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Hope you enjoy your Halloween this week. Don't forget to scan the QR code to track your home's value. And I look forward to seeing you next week in the next Monday Market Moment, where we start looking into November as we get into more of the holiday season. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing you then.
Thanks for watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this report, please send an email to Bryan@DevoreRealtyGroup.com.